Megan here from Hip Stitch Academy. Gonna thread this Brother VX707. Start by putting the thread up on the spool pin. Get it through that top silver thread guide that will line it up into that first series. And then you're gonna go down around the tension knob and then back up through that take-up lever. When you're going through that take-up lever, just make sure it gets caught between the discs in the tension knob. And then on your way back down from the take-up lever, you want to get that hook. And then there's two more hooks right before the needle. There's one that's kind of towards the front, and then there's one right above where the needle is. You have to hook it from the left side. Bring your needle all the way up as far as it can go so you can thread the needle from the front to the back. Once you get it in there, make sure it doesn't tangle and put it under your presser foot. Now to thread the bobbin, you're just going to open up the little bobbin case there. Leave those black levers where they are and just pull out the case. When you're putting the bobbin inside the case, the thread should be winding clockwise, as I've just shown you there. And then there's an opening in the case that you have to slide it over to the hole. Then it's ready to put it back in. Make sure that stem on the top is lined up with the spot inside the machine like that. Hold on to your thread that's through the needle. Turn that wheel towards you. It'll pick up the bobbin thread, and as you give it a little bit of a pull, it'll bring that bobbin thread up and you can pull it out the rest of the way.